Okay, picture this. You need a brand new processor. Normally, you'd gather a team of engineers, spend months, maybe even years, designing, testing, refining, all to produce something that fits your specific needs. But what if AI could do all of that in just a few days? Meet QiMeng, China's brand new open-source AI chip design tool. It was built by the Institute of Computing Technology under the Chinese Academy of Sciences. And it's already doing something that sounds like science fiction, designing real, working microprocessors faster than human engineers. Here's the hook. QiMeng isn't just spitting out diagrams or early concepts. It's generating full processor designs, down to the logic, software, and even simulation-ready test environments. It recently designed two chips, QiMeng CPU Von, which matches the performance of Intel's classic 486 processor, and QiMeng CPU VTU, which is comparable to ARM's Cortex-A53, a modern-day mobile CPU. That leap, from a 1989-era chip to a 2012-era one, is a huge deal. And what's even crazier? These chips were fully designed in just a few days, not months, not years. Days. So how does it work? QiMeng is built on a three-layer framework. 1. Task Agent. This defines the processor's goals and requirements. 2. Design Agent. This is the brain that translates those goals into processor architecture. 3. Application Agent. This layer ensures the chip is ready for real-world use, complete with test software and instruction sets. Each layer is modular, and the AI is trained using reinforcement learning combined with expert-level data. It essentially learns how to design chips by observing how engineers do it, then optimizes the process using its own logic. Let's pause here. What does this really mean? It means that QiMeng could, at some point, take a set of requirements, like, I need a processor for a drone with these power limits, and auto-generate a custom chip within a few days. That level of design automation would be a massive disruption to the current semiconductor industry. Now, let's talk geopolitics for a second. We all know the US has placed heavy restrictions on China when it comes to accessing advanced chip-making tools like EDA electronic design automation software from Synopsys or Cadence. QiMeng is designed to be open source and independent of any foreign tech stack. That means it's a strategic weapon, literally giving China its own way to develop semiconductors without relying on US companies. And that makes this tool more than just a cool tech demo. It's a response to sanctions, a leap toward tech sovereignty, and, potentially, a head start in the global race for AI-designed hardware. But let's not get carried away. QiMeng isn't perfect. Right now, the chips it produces aren't competing with Apple's M3 or AMD's Ryzen processors. They're still relatively simple, but that's expected. What matters is the speed and automation of the process. And once the model improves, by generating more complex superscalar CPUs, GPUs, or even AI accelerators, we could be looking at a future where chip design is no longer dominated by a few giants, but democratized across industries. There are still limitations, of course. Fabrication is one. QiMeng designs chips, but it doesn't build them. China still relies on older fab nodes, like 14 nanometers or 28 nanometers, while companies like TSMC are pushing 3 nanometers and below. So even if QiMeng makes brilliant designs, production will be a bottleneck, at least for now. There's also the question of energy efficiency, thermal behavior, and integration with other hardware. These are problems that usually require iterative testing and human fine-tuning. QiMeng isn't replacing engineers yet, but it's becoming the fastest, most capable assistant they've ever had. And it's only getting smarter. With future training, QiMeng could be upgraded to understand new architectures, apply real-time constraints, and even evolve its own internal logic designs based on data, not just templates. So here's the takeaway. 1. QiMeng can design real chips in days, not months. 2. It's open source and built to reduce reliance on US tech. 3. It's already produced a chip that matches ARM Cortex-A53 performance. 4th, It has the potential to democratize and accelerate chip innovation. 5. It's still early, but the implications are massive. Imagine a future where any company, not just giants like Intel or Nvidia, can feed design specs into an AI and get a working chip design optimized for their product. That could spark a new wave of hardware innovation: IoT, robotics, wearables, smart cities, you name it. And at the heart of that revolution, tools like QiMeng. So the next time someone says AI is only for making text or images, remind them, it's now making microchips too. Like and subscribe QiMeng Tech for more deep dives into AI and tech. Thanks for watching. QiMeng isn't just another AI experiment. It's a clear signal that the way we build processors and who builds them is about to change. Keep following this channel for more breakthroughs in AI, hardware design, and the future of semiconductors. See you in the next one. Source: InterestingEngineering.com. China's AI chip tool. QiMeng Beats. Engineers designs processors in just days.